My name is Johnny Strange, and today I'm here to bring the danger. What's more dangerous than a chainsaw? I've also brought with me an apple. I'm going to attempt to place an apple in between my teeth, then using the chainsaw, carve a perfect X.
Oh my, you sure about this?
There's a first time for everything. First, a quick demonstration.
Oh, it's a real chainsaw.
This is live, this is real, this is incredibly stupid. This is the chainsaw kiss of death.
Bummer clot. No, bro, what the hell? Oh! Oh my God! Wow!
Perfect X every time. But you want to see some danger, right?
That didn't feel that dangerous.
We're talking insane, right?
Yeah.
Well, here I have a blindfold.
Okay. Now we're talking. Oh. Shit. Oh. Oh, God! Wow.
Perfect V every time.
Yeah, that's not an X. That's okay.
See, but are you feeling brave?
Yes.
You are. Excellent. Get on up here.
Wait, what?
I have one more apple.
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah. Get on up here.
Holy. Wait, what?
This is one of your 5 a day.
Okay.
Pop that in your mouth because...
Nah. Holy shit.
I'm game if you're game.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, whatever you do, don't move. Face to front.
Okay.
This is it. You survived. Not too bad, eh? Nerves of steel.
Holy shit. Bro, my heart was racing and I loved it.